Hey, it's Johnny here, and in this video I'd like to share with you a case study of how my student Rahim used a simple ecom method to go from 0 to $144.43 in under 24 hours by giving away a weird item for free without a product and without paying for traffic, and which made him $10,003 in the last 30 days. Now, within just 24 hours, Rahim was able to go from 0 to $144, as you can see here in his Stripe account. Now, his account is in euros because he's in Amsterdam, but when converted into dollars, it's $144. And within 30 days, he was able to make $10,003 with this same method that I'm about to reveal to you. In this video, I'm going to give you the same simple 3-step method that you can use to get ecom profits today by giving away a weird item using 100% free traffic without an online store, without Shopify, without any complicated tools, without any business skills, without doing any selling, without your own product, without paying for traffic, and without any technical experience. Now, I'm not sure about you, but have you ever been in a situation where you needed to make money quickly to pay for something, but you have no idea how you will get the money? Well, that's the exact situation Rahim was in. You see, Rahim had 9 days before he had to pay his rent, to court, and kicked out of his house, forced to live on the streets. So Rahim got in touch with me, and thankfully I was able to teach him this method. But how would you like to feel knowing that you will never have to be in a situation where you don't have enough money for something that you need or want? Because I'm not sure about you, but I like being able to sleep at night, not worrying how I'm going to pay my rent, how I'm going to pay my credit card bills, how I'm going to put food on my table. So if you would like to be able to sleep peacefully at night, never having to worry about money, paying your bills, your rent, your mortgage, your debts, or having a comfortable place to live, or even putting food on you and your family's table, then pay very close attention, because I'm about to show you how to never worry about money again. Now, Rahim was in a desperate situation where he needed to make money and he had run out of all other options. So Rahim found me online. He got in contact with me, and to cut a long story short, I invited him down to a workshop that I was holding close to where Rahim lived. Now, as you can see on the left, there's a picture of me teaching at this secret workshop where attendees paid $2,500 to learn this same ecom method that I'm about to share with you. Now, this was a 2-day workshop, and Rahim left the workshop with his entire ecom system up and running, and within his first 24 hours was able to make $144, and within just 30 days he made over $10,000, way more money than he needed to pay his rent. So he was able to pay his rent, have a place to live, and have a lot of extra money, and that was just by setting up a simple, easy ecom campaign, which I'm about to show you how to do in just 3 simple steps. Now, you might be wondering, how can you make money by giving away an item for free? It doesn't make sense, right? Because you'd probably think that in order for you to make money, someone would have to take out their credit card and pay you for something, right? Well, that's the beauty of this system, is that you don't need to physically sell anything. You're going to be giving away an item for free, and this works for anyone, as you're about to see. But before I go into the method, here's a quick warning. If you do not take action and act on this and apply this method today, there's a lot of money on the table that you'll be missing out on, because this system works. And it's the reason I shared this with Rahim when he came to me and told me he really needed to make money fast. And if you really need to make money quickly, if you need to get out of a situation that requires money, or if you just want to make a spare income, you just want to make more money because everything that you may have tried in the past just doesn't work, then pay very close attention and follow everything that I'm about to share with you in this training. I've taught this method to a handful of students over the past few months who have been part of my VIP coaching clients. And this is the first time I'm going to be sharing this with the public. So within the second day, Rahim made $225. In 30 days, he made $10,000. But you're probably wondering, if it's so easy, why aren't you cashing in on ecom yet? Well, there may be a barrier. You've probably tried stuff in the past. Maybe you've tried internet marketing, affiliate marketing, or you may have even tried dropshipping or e-commerce in the past. Well, you may not know it, but there's not much in the way from you going from where you are now to the results that you want. But there's probably a wall that you just can't climb over. Maybe it's some kind of technical barrier, or you just don't know how to set up a website, or you don't know how to find the product, or you know that people are making money because you've seen it. You've seen testimonials, you've seen products that people are releasing, you've seen on Facebook that there are people making money, but you can't climb over this wall. It's like you're trying to push this big boulder up a hill and you just can't get over it. You just can't achieve success. Well, after this video, you will be able to see the results that you want, just like Rahim did. So let me explain exactly how the easy ecom profit method works. You see, there are a lot of people spending money online right now, and people will happily send you money to get an item that you have. You just need to get in front of them. You just need to get in front of all these buyers to accept the money that they are spending. You're simply going to become a middleman and dropship as a middleman. There's a website called AliExpress, which you may have seen before. It's a website that has tens of thousands of products, which you can simply sell to people and make a profit from. Now, fortunately, you don't need to hold any stock. You can sell any item from this site and mark up the price to profit from, okay? Here's an example. This bracelet is just $2.98 on AliExpress. $2.98. You don't even need to buy or hold any of these bracelets or hold any stock before you sell any. You can simply sell this bracelet on your own site or on any shopping portal, and when someone buys, you have it sent directly to the buyer. And with the easy ecom method, you can set this entire system up and automate it in 3 simple steps using 100% free traffic. So this bracelet is just $2.98. However, you could put together a simple page like this and sell it for $24.95, and you'd be making a huge profit on that. Can you see how powerful this is? On the left, you have how much the product costs on AliExpress, and on the right is how much you could be selling it for. Can you see how easy it is to make money with this? So imagine if you just sold 10 bracelets per day. 10 bracelets per day, that's $249 per day. $249 per day is $7,485 per month. That's already above an average income. That puts you in the top 1% of income earners. Do you think you could do this after I show you how you can sell 10 bracelets per day? Well, here's where things get even more interesting, because the easy ecom method doesn't require any selling. You see, we're going to be giving away an item for free and then adding in something called an ecom cash maximizer. That's where we're going to make the bulk of the money. So the way this method works is we're going to get free targeted traffic, send them to a weird item that we're going to give them for free. We're then going to add in the ecom cash maximizer and then make money. You see, because you don't have to physically do any selling now, you're giving away an item for free, but you're making money from the ecom cash maximizer. This method works like crazy, and it was how Rahim was able to go from $0 to $10,000 in just his first 30 days. And that's why me and Rahim have put together an extended case study tutorial video and a step-by-step blueprint to show you exactly how Rahim done it, and more importantly, how you can do it too. How you can set up an easy ecom campaign in just 3 simple steps and have it up and running today, which uses 100% free traffic. So inside Easy Ecom Profits, I'm going to share with you how to find a weird item that's guaranteed to sell, how to put together a simple, ugly ecom cash site to sell or give away your item for free to make money, how to get in front of hungry buyers using my free traffic method, how to automate the delivery of your items, and how to make as much money as you want. And here are the steps. The first step is to simply find a weird item to give away. Step 2 is you create your easy ecom campaign. And step 3, you add your ecom cash maximizer, and that's when you make money. It's as simple as that. And it's exactly what Rahim did to go from being in a situation where he needed to make money to pay his rent to making over $10,000 in 30 days. And this works like crazy. All you need to do is set it up once, and the sales and money comes in on autopilot. You just count the money that you're making. The ecom cash maximizer is the secret to making money with this method. And you can set this entire system up within 2 hours. Easy ecom profits takes you from where you are now, step by step, to setting up your very first easy ecom campaign within just 2 hours. There's just 3 simple steps to get started. There's minimum effort. You make money by giving away a free item. It uses 100% free traffic. It's easy to set up. There's no technical experience. There's no product needed. You don't need a Shopify or an online store. You can automate the process and have more time and freedom from day one. So get access to Easy Ecom Profits right now. Read the page below. Click the button to gain access to Easy Ecom Profits, so you can start setting up your first Easy Ecom campaign today and start seeing results today, just like Rahim did. You're going to get access to the case study video where we reveal the exact item that Rahim gave away for free, his Ecom Cash Maximizer, and the traffic source. You're going to get to see all of this, and you can basically copy what Rahim did and make money for yourself, as well as a step-by-step PDF guide that takes you step-by-step from start to finish. So click the button below, get access to Easy Ecom Profits, read the page below, get access. But I can't promise you that if you go away and you come back, this page might be gone, because we're only giving this away to a select number of people. Once we feel that enough people have gained access to Easy Ecom Profits, I'm going to pull this page down so we can just focus on training our new members. So get access right now to Easy Ecom Profits, and I look forward to seeing the results that you're going to be getting today and seeing you on the inside. Get access to Easy Ecom Profits by clicking the button below right now, and we will see you, and we look forward to helping you start seeing results today.